Hey there, Sanka, everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today, we're going to be talking about what's going on with the crypto market in general, what you should be looking for the upcoming few months. It's more of like an investing or a swing trade move. Let's see what's going on. Because without any further ado, let's get the video started. So right now, you recently probably have seen crypto go up by a few percentages, and also, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a few other altcoins have gone up, and that's because the recent Britain tax cut reversal. They were going to take out about, I think, $45 billion worth of tax cuts they've taken out. So that's a great, bullish news. But remember, this isn't bullish news enough to continuously, bring the market upwards. We need to think about, what's happening over the next few months and how that will affect, the market going up or down, and all these various factors. Now, let's talk about what's going on with the Federal Reserves. Now, there is another potential interest rate hikes coming up within either November or December, and 0.75 percentage. So, you're going to see that hike. As soon as that hike goes up, the US dollar gets stronger. And when the US dollar gets stronger, Bitcoin is inversely related to the US dollar. So as the US dollar gets stronger, Bitcoin goes down a little bit. And in general, when people can't borrow money, they're more scared. Things are more expensive. They're not going to be investing into something that is potentially volatile. Now, that added on with the factor of inflation still showing not the greatest signs of reversing, so that's why there's interest rates increasing. So that's another bearish news. Let's add another layer of bearish news on top of this by talking about what's happening in Russia. Putin is double downing on the aspect that if Ukraine, jumps in with NATO, they're gonna get more involved and things are gonna get worse. And then recent times, OPEC talked about reducing the current conflict with the reducing the amount of barrels that they're producing on a daily basis, obviously affecting the price of oil. And when the price of oil goes up, price of everything goes up. It's kind of a given. So with all these news in line, no, it's not a W pattern, or no, it's not a breakthrough from my personal opinion. Obviously, non-financial advice. You need to do your own research. You need to read about the news, what's going on. Check out, how much. 1 second, just for everybody, for the channel. You gotta like, come on. You gotta share. You gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos. You gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that Mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that Mashallah money, and may bless you and your family and bring barakah in it. Let's make that Mashallah money together. Like, share, subscribe. Whales are coming back into the market. So remember, usually whales are people who understand what's happening in the market, or there's big investors or institutions, and then try to follow that also, right? People are not going to be jumping into the market if they have a research team and the research team is telling them, no, don't do it, then they're not going to jump in. So, there's not a lot of whales that are actively currently jumping into the market because of recent boom. Most likely what's going to happen is people are going to sell off even this little boom that happened to make a swing trade and benefit from it. Now, does this mean that the market's going to crash even worse? Potentially, we can see it go, around 1900 again, or even below 1900 for Bitcoin, and still ram around that area. Why am I saying it's probably not going to go? Because there's a whole discussion about, it's probably going to hit 12,000 or 13,000 or 14,000. I don't believe it'll hit that market part because there's way too many whales that would be affected by that, and obviously whales are not going to let their investments crash just for nothing. It's been holding up that 18,500 to 19K mark, and it's going to potentially just keep bouncing within that range until some more solid news comes out in regards to the bull market. And again, if you look at the cyclicals, obviously, people also have to look at cyclicals of how the crypto market works. There's not a sign that says this is the time when the bull market will start again. Obviously, there's still some time before bull market starts. Now I hope I wasn't the bearer of the worst news for you guys, but this is the reality. You have to understand how investments work. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of research, and technicals and fundamentals are needed. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys thinking, no, Ahmed, you're wrong, it's time the market's gonna go crazy up and we should go into it? Let me know. If you think the market's gonna go down even more, you know, Ahmed, you're wrong, it's not gonna be at 1800 or 1900, it's gonna go even down to about 1300, sorry, 13k. Let me know in the comments below, and you know, inshallah, I'll respond to it, and I'll let you know what my opinion is. Now, guys, once again, this isn't financial advice. I'll probably put a bar right here, says non-financial advice. This whole video is just an opinion. Hope you guys understand that, and like, share, subscribe, share this with your friends. Let me know what you think. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites.